Today guys, I show you how to sign in on YouTube on your smart TV. If you find this guide helpful, like and subscribe to the channel and enjoy this video. First you need to do, when you open YouTube app on your TV like me, you need go here in this first section. You will see here sign in. Move here right. As you can see, it's QR code. You need to scan with your phone. Just use your phone like me, switch here on camera and scan your code like me. After you scan this code like me, you will see on your phone this YouTube link. Just click on it. When you do this like me, you will see on your mobile, continue, just accept this connection. Choose your Google account like me and go here allow. And you will see continue on your device. After that, you sign in on your YouTube account on your smart TV. And that's it all guys for this video, how to sign in on YouTube with your smart TV. If you find this guide helpful, like and subscribe to the channel, and I see you in the next video.